Sherry for Just Nailed It, and good morning, everyone. We are going to be doing a vertical ombre today, as you can see in the nails before you. I have got Beetles Neon Gel Polish set for 2021. They range from $277 to $282. I have got my ombre brush, and as you can see, I started without you. I'm sorry. We're going to finish one nail together. That way you can see how it is done. It's really super easy. Really super easy. Take your polish, cover half of the nail with whatever color you're going to use. This is number 279 by Beetles, and number 280, the pink and the orange. This should turn out really nice together. I'm loving the pinky nail and the thumbnail, which would be, this nail here and this nail here. Those are probably my favorites. So I'm going to take my ombre brush as lightly as I possibly can. I'm going to tickle. Just work it back and forth between the two colors. And at this point, I'm going to let it sit for just a minute and let it self-level. Off to the side, I have got a tray with a lint-free wipe soaked with isopropyl alcohol. And I'm just cleaning my brush off. I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to wait, top coat these all together. You can find Beetles Gel Polish at Beetles.com or on Amazon. I got mine off of Amazon myself. I will put the price across the bottom of the screen. It was relatively cheap. Beetles Gel Polishes are priced economically for the friendly user, for ladies on a budget. I love Beetles myself. I think it is a great collection of any of theirs to have. I've got probably about 8 to 10 of their collections, I think, so far. Love their polish. Love it. We're going to top coat. I'm going to add a little bit of bling to the nails. Not much, just a little. We're going to go back in with our second coat. And ombre the nail one more time. Una más. One more. Una más. There we go. I'm now cleaning my brush. I'm going to pop this into the lamp for 60 seconds. Give it a full cure. No, I'll do that. And we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. We're going to be using iGel Beauty's No Cleanse Top Coat. Love this top coat. I got this on a 60% off sale on iGelBeauty.com. You might still be able to catch the things on sale. It's hard to say. But if you can, you can go over there and use the code SPRING60. That way you can save yourself, I'm sorry if I'm out of frame, you can save yourself 60% off. And who doesn't want to save 60% off? I mean, that'd be... You'd be nuts so. Nuts so. I think these turned out really cute. I've never done a vertical ombre before. This was my first. This one here reminds me of watermelon. The green and the pink together. Love, love, love the thumb, how it turned out. This one here and the pinky. Love, love, love. Now for a little bit of bling. Just a wee little bit. Let's see if I can do this without taking the nails off the stand. Take that out of here. Let's see if I have enough of the big ones. Yes, I do. Beautiful. Now let's see if I can get a little bit of those. Whoopsie. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified of all future videos, all uploads, giveaways, any important thing that I may feel you need to know. You'll be able to find out here. But only if you're subscribed and you click on the bell. That way you get notified of all future uploads. All notifications, you will be notified. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, alright, alright. Uno más, uno más. One more. One more. Oops. Alrighty, we are finished. I'm going to pop these in the lamp before they decide to move on me. We are going to give these a 60-second full cure. And we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. Here is my vertical ombre for today. I use Beetles Neon Gel Polishes for 2021. And a little bit of light. I think these turned out really, really super cute. Can you see any sparkle? Can you see any? I see it. So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. I should have outlined this in black, and I may do that later off camera. Put pictures on Instagram. Check me out at just.nailedit. I may not. I don't know. Keep your eyes peeled for pictures. Like I said, leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos and all uploads, all giveaways, all anything that's happening on Just Nailed It. I thank you for your support, for your love. without you, there would be no me. I wouldn't be here. So I do appreciate each and every one of you. I'm still striving to grow my channel, so please help a girl out. Spread the word. Tell your mother, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your aunt, your grandma. You never know, they might like my channel too. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.